Hello audience, I hope everyone is fine. Today I will tell about environment pollution, the away the unused orange sense the environment of the world. Keeping garbage in a forest is not conducive to the environment, but that is what happened to Costa Rica. In the northern part of the country, the fallen pasture is Guanacaste Preserve. In the 1996, the beverage processing plant of Del Orel, a juice maker, was located near the forest of Guanacaste. American forest process Daniel Ganzen and Winnie Halwas. Both of them made a proposal to Del Oro while working as a consultant to the Environment Authorities of Costa Rica. The proposal is to give them land in a white area. The company has to dump the unused orange and coir that land. 12,000 tons of orange peel and coir were thrown the dead. 2 decades later, something wonderful happened. A delegation of scientists from Princeton University visited there in 2013 and discovered that there was a 176% increase in biofuel. The good news that the 3 hectare area that was completely deserted has been transferred into a fresh rainforest. And this incident because of an extensive forest conservation audit. There were, however, many obstacles to do so. But without initiative, if the orange peel and coir were thrown into the rivers, then there would be water pollution. It would have caused a lot of environment damage. So I think such good initiative should be taken to reduce environment pollution. Each country should allocate separate land of mill factory and manufacturing companies. At present, environmental pollution is a major problem for human and animals. So every country and people should be aware of this. Currently, 9 million people die every year due to environmental pollution. Thanks for watching.